Hi friends, இன்னைக்கு True Educationல National Career Service e-learning program பத்தி பார்க்கலாம். About us, learn anytime, anywhere from high quality e-learning resources designed and developed by national coordinators like UGC, AICTE, NCERT, IGNOU, NIOS, etc. Available in different languages, audio, video, e-content. என்னென்ன courses இருக்குங்கிறத பத்தி பார்க்கலாம். First one, initiated by MHRD. Resource, Swayam. About us, offers courses from class 9 to post-graduation with rich e-learning content in the form of e-tutorial, audio, video, virtual labs, etc. Specially prepared downloadable e-content, self-assessment tools like MCQs, assignments, quiz, etc. Online discussion forum for clearing doubts, evaluation and certification available at nominal fee. Second one, initiated by 7 Indian Institute of Technology and Indian Institute of Science. Resource, NPTEL, National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. About us, largest online repository for web and video courses in engineering, basic sciences and selected humanities and social science subjects. No prerequisites, no age limit, no entrance criteria to enroll. Certification courses are offered twice a year, Jan to June, July to December. Courses toppers are offered internship opportunities by NPTEL. Third one, initiated by CEC UGC. Resource, curriculum classes. About us, offers digital content in 87 UG subjects as per as model syllabi of UGC. Visual, web and text-based learning material. Self-paced learning opportunity. Fourth one, initiated by MHRD. Resource, Diksha. About us, provides video courses and practice tests for students and teachers of class 1 to class 12. School curriculum based courses prepared by NCERT, CBSE, state boards, etc. Fifth one, initiated by National Skill Development Corporation. Resource, eSkill India. About us, provides online courses across all sectors ranging from beauty, agriculture to IT, ITES and BFSI. No prerequisite, no age limit, no entrance criteria to enroll. Self-paced certification skilling courses. Sixth one, initiated by MHRD. Resource, National Digital Library of India. About us, offers learning content for users from primary to postgraduate levels across all disciplines. Content available in multiple formats: audio, video, web, dataset, report, book, thesis, album, etc. Ease of highly filtered and focused searching. Seventh one, initiated by NCERT. Resource, ePathshala. About us, offers e-textbooks and supplementary books of NCERT for all subjects for classes 1 to 12th in English, Hindi and Urdu. Offers e-resources like audios, videos, interactive images, maps, questions banks, etc. in English and Hindi. Eighth one, initiated by MHRD. Resource, ePG Pathshala, executed by UGC. About us, a gateway to all postgraduate courses. Offers curriculum-based and interactive e-content in 70 subjects across all disciplines of social sciences, arts, fine arts and humanities, natural and mathematical sciences. Ninth one, initiated by MHRD. Resource, Sakshat. About us, one-stop education portal that offers learning content across disciplines in the form of audio-visual tools, web, e-books, e-journals, etc. Educational materials to learners from kindergarten to PhD. Self-assessment tools like MCQs, quizzes, etc. Online discussion forum for clearing doubts. 10th one, initiated by MHRD, Resource, eKalpa. About Us offers distance e-learning programs on design. Offers digital design resource database including the craft sector. இந்த கோர்சஸோட URL வந்து டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸ்ல இருக்கு. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.